studying for Cisco certification and received a PK9 lab file from your instructor? This contains a complete network simulation for hands-on practice. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening these Cisco Packet Tracer 9 project files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized PK9 tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. A PK9 file is a network simulation project created with Cisco Packet Tracer version 9.x. Users, typically students or IT professionals, create these files to design, configure, and troubleshoot virtual network topologies. The intent is to open the file to continue working on a network lab or simulation. The PK9 file is a compressed archive containing XML and other data files that define the network device's connections and configurations. This container-based design allows for a complete self-contained project that can be easily shared and opened on another system with the same version of Packet Tracer. The standard opener for PK9 is known to be Cisco Packet Tracer, developed by Cisco. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows only supplies high-level attributes, so full access requires dedicated data processing software. We are going to find the right reader. Right-click the PK9 file and click Open With. Try launching with Cisco Packet Tracer first, as it's the recommended tool. If that doesn't work, test others until you find a match. If you cannot access the PK9 file, no problem. We're close to getting this fixed. If the file is still giving you problems, we've narrowed the cause to 3 items. Here are the culprits and the precise checks required. First, opening in Packet Tracer. Download Cisco Packet Tracer from Cisco Networking Academy NetAcad after creating a free student account. Install the appropriate version for your operating system and launch Packet Tracer. Use File then Open and select the PK9 file. The complete network simulation loads ready for configuration study and protocol experimentation. Next, version compatibility. PK9 files require Packet Tracer version 9 or later for proper opening. Newer Packet Tracer versions maintain backward compatibility with PK9 files. If using an older Packet Tracer version, upgrade to the latest release through Cisco NetAcad. Mismatched versions may show incompatibility errors or fail to load advanced features. Finally, using NetAcad resources. Cisco. NetAcad provides extensive PK9 lab files for self-paced learning. Enroll in free courses like Networking Essentials or CCNA at netacad.com to access curated lab files. The integrated learning platform combines theoretical content with PK9 practical labs, reinforcing network configuration concepts through hands-on simulation exercises. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.